I be slacking. Actually, I wasn't slacking at all. I just had a lot of work to do. So I'm kind of in the rhythm of things now, sort of. But my days are kind of routine. So I went to the gym this morning, and now I'm going to a group meeting that I am hosting at the lounge area for East Slope for the same marketing analytics. So I'll show you what inside looks like, and yeah. I must say, these doors always make me feel so important. Look at that, they open for me. So we have the reception area. Let me see if they have any masks, because I forgot mine in my room. Hi, good day.
Hi.
Would you happen to have any masks? Thank you so much. Oops. Just take them both?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, thanks. Mask. Here are the mailboxes. This one is mine. I'm Bree 21. At least the one from my flat. And then we move into the lounge area. Here it is. Okay, it changes up every time I come in here. So there's usually not these white tables. But yeah. So here's a long table. And there's some nice little cubicles. Like isolated study, I guess. I've never actually been inside on one of these, but I can see why they would be attractive. Those chairs are not comfortable. Hey.
Number on the river line. The value of inflation could be at any point on the river line.
Much easier. So what do you think is the big data? Of course, you can see the answer on the screen. I'm not going to ask for an answer from you guys, but to give you an understanding about the difference between the two, when we talk about large data sets and 30% on acquisition with this ad, there are two more ads included on this page. I'm not going to play them for you, but have a look at them in your own time and try to do this to see which stage they would sit in terms of encouraging consumers.
Hello. I actually recorded and it deleted. Anyway, so today is Friday. We're expecting a storm today. Eunice. It's a windstorm. It's actually happening outside, I think. It's supposed to pick up a little bit later on, but it's already started. So I have a lot of my classes online. So I recorded a little bit of that. I was chatting lots in the class, but I just didn't think to record my own chatter because I seem to be that student that talks a lot. And I'm actually doing pretty well in this class, which is market strategy. So I have another meeting right now for new product development. Maybe I get a little tete-a-tete with that. And then I'll show you what's happening outside. I'm just waiting for homegirl to let me in. And
It's 25,000 gamers at first, and then in a couple of months, actually no, sorry, within 2 days it dropped to 5,000 players, and then by July, so 2 months later, they just pulled the whole game from the store. And
21 as my 2-year mark. So I guess I'll just share mine since I'm already talking. I can share screen. Or you can just open the link. Either way, it's fine. I'm the one with the circle phone.
okay, there you go.
Okay, so let me open it up. And share my screen. All right, so I went through quite a few of them. I saw a bunch of gaming ones and stuff like that, but I just basically narrowed it down to something I would be interested in and what most people would be interested in, which is their phones. And basically, this company came up with this idea a few years back, but it only got released last year. So I don't know if that's categorized as a new product. But they basically wanted to rethink the design of a phone. So they said, you know, a phone was a mundane thing. It had a rectangle, the shape, and a fully glass screen. So they just wanted to change it up a little bit. So they came up with this phone that's circular, but it came with a bunch of problems. Like you can't really change the interface for something that's rectangular and try and apply it to a device like that. And consumers also grew accustomed to like a certain size of screen. And what they try to do is try to combine a tablet type of device and a phone type of device and make it into this circular shape. And then because of that, that adjustment to having so much viewing space, this product really did not work. The shape was odd. You can't see as much, you can't do as much. And so the uptake for this product was really bad. I mean, they're still trying, clearly, but it's not really working out because nobody wants a circular phone. So this is what's going on outside at the moment. Um, there was a little bit of a dry leaf tornado, but I was in my group meeting at the time. So this is pretty much it. And then some things were flying around, but I don't see them right now. The lights were also flickering a little bit. So I have not showered for the morning. It is now 12. I just finished my group meeting. And so I'm gonna go and get a shower and then get ready because I have a lecture at 1. Yeah, this is not very convincing. I feel like the wind is camera shy. All right, so I showered and I'm now in my hoodie and in my bed. I had some cereal for lunch because I just need to get back to finishing this up. And so I'm gonna do my lecture now and then make my notes and then watch another lecture.
Strategy. We're picking up this week on marketing principle number 2, that all customers change. So, just to bring it to light, when we think first of all about
So I'm done now. After the lecture, I kind of took a snooze and then I was on the phone. So now it's about, what time is it? Oh, I told you I burst the band on my watch burst. And what had happened was I woke up one morning without it on my wrist, but I didn't think anything of it for some reason. Woke up without it on my wrist, and then the next day I was trying to check my watch and I realized, wait, it really should be on my wrist. I don't recall taking it off. So I searched high and low just to realize that the band burst above the buckle, I'm gonna call it a buckle, above the buckle, and it was in my bed, so I can't really use my smartwatch. So I'm assuming it's somewhere after 5, before 6. So I'm gonna be making my dinner because I didn't really have anything particularly substantial for lunch. Lunch I had a bowl of cereal. So I'm gonna make curry shrimp, rice, and vegetables. We have curry prawns, spinach, rice, and vegetables. I started eating, I forgot to take a photo. And yeah, I left the head on because I like to eat the head. So I'm done, but just an update on the windstorm. It is now 6:40 in the evening, and I still hear howling outside. There was a bit of whistling for a bit, but it's slowed down a lot. But from what I see when I look out my windows, because I ain't going out there, it's probably freezing and windy. But I can't see anything that's particularly upset. There's some like dried leaves and debris and stuff like garbage around, but not a lot. And basically it looks like a lot like what I showed you earlier. But I've heard from other scholars throughout the region, and someone sent me a TikTok of like some serious trees, big trees being blown down, roofs off, and some other serious damage. So, I mean, I guess we have been spared. I have been spared. The Caribbean scholars seem to have been spared. So, yeah, I'm fine. So I was watching a little bit of Big Bang Theory, so I was gonna wrap up my day with some lectures, but this was the last lecture. Oh, sorry. This is the session I had earlier, and then there's also the lecture that I was looking for, which they said they will double up on, so the lecture should be here, but it's not, and I already watched that, so I guess that means the night is still mine. I hope this is turning right, you know. Anyway, so this will be my first vlog in like what, a week or 2 weeks, so yeah, I think I'm gonna call it Eugene and Eunice, sorry, not Eugene, Eunice and Brighton or something like that. Anyway, bye. Oh, sorry, quick about my piercing. Oh, what is that up there? What's going on? Anyway, this one is officially 2 months old, and this one is officially 6 weeks old. So I can kind of stop cleaning them now, but I will still clean them ever so often. But that's the latest. They don't hurt. Well, this one hurts a little bit, but when I put on my headphones and stuff at the gym, it puts a little pressure on it. So when I like press against it, if I sleep on the other side with this, it hurts the next morning, or it's a little sore the next morning, but it's fine. I just want to I can move it back and forth. Not that it makes a difference, but I can move it back and forth. This one too. I can move it. I can move it. And there's no problem. So it looks a little dark. I don't know what's up with that. Maybe it's the lighting. Anyway, I'm done for real now. Bye.